in chapter 4, today you will learn formula bar and one more option, draw option. For this, let me start sharing the screen with you all. I'll open Excel. Let me open Excel. Are you able to see the screen better? Good. Now, you just keep your eyes where the cursor is moving. Okay. Two options which you are going to learn is, one is formula bar. As you can see the cursor coming here. Are you able to see the cursor blinking there where fx is written? Now, my dear children, if you have learned Excel and you have not learned formula bar, you have not learned anything. This is the main feature present in Excel worksheet. Okay. So with the help of formula bar, you are able to do lots of calculations. Okay. Calculations you can do plus, you can do minus, you can divide, you can multiply, etc. What all things are present in maths, you can do it within few seconds. Okay. Now, my dear children, if I tell you one secret to use this, until and unless you type equal to sign, okay, until and unless you type equal to sign in formula bar, you cannot make use of what all symbols are there, plus, minus, etc. Okay. So let me type 4 plus 7. I have written 4 plus 7. Okay. Now, as I will press enter, I will get the result or the sum of that number. Okay. In that very cell, the active cell. Clear? So, again, I will bring the cursor here. Now, whatever I will type in the formula bar, it will come in the active cell. Okay. Now, see clearly. First, I have done plus. Now, we will do minus. Okay. 7 minus 2. I have written 7 minus 2. Okay. Now, as I press enter, I don't get answer. I just got it as 7. It is showing 7 Feb. As I have written 7 dash 2. Second month is Feb. So, it is showing that. Okay. So, I need to type minus sign there instead of dash. Clearly. Secondly, I have not written here equal to sign. To minus 2 digits, first I need to type equal to sign. Okay. Now this time I am writing 7 minus 2. Got it? Now let's see if I press enter what I get. This time I've got the right answer. Yes? Now my dear children, one more feature is there in computers. You will not find any multiplication or division sign. Okay. So if you will see your keyboard, okay, if you will see your keyboard, let me try to bring the keyboard on screen if possible. Okay. You need to press the start button. Let me try. It is not opening. I'll just tell you, you can go to start button and from there you can select the option on screen keyboard and you will get the keyboard displayed on the desktop. Okay. Now, my dear children, as I said, you don't have multiplication sign and division sign in your keyboard. So in place of that, different symbols are there. You have asterisk sign. Okay, I'll just show you in the active cell. 1 second, wait. What you call star. This is asterisk sign. Okay, this is used wherever you need to do any sort of multiplication. So this time we are going to make use of this sign. So I will type here first equal to sign, then 5 star 5. So this means 5 into 5. Okay. Now as I press enter, I get 25 as answer. Got it? Similarly, forward slash is there, which we can use to make use of division. Okay. Whenever you need to divide two numbers, you don't have division sign, so you will make use of forward slash. So again, I'll type equal to sign. Then 16 divided by 4. Okay. 16 divided by 4. In place of division, what sign I have used? Forward slash. Okay. Now as I press enter, I get answer in the active cell. Got it? Himansh Mehta, I don't know what makes you laugh. Hope you are attentive in class. Keshav, is it clear, bete? Is formula bar clear? Show a thumbs up if it is clear. Good. Now today, the other option which you are going to learn is draw option. Are you able to see where the cursor is? Draw option. Now if I click here, bete, draw option. Now this is what I wanted to teach you today. Under draw option, you have got eraser, pen, and again highlighter. Okay. Now first I'll make use of pen. So with the help of pen, you are able to write. Okay. Clear? I have written magic. So pen is used to write. Again, one more pen is there. This is also used. This is colored pen, you can say. Okay. One is black and one is colored one. As it is got more options. From here, you can pick the color. Whatever color you want, you can select and you will get that colored pen to write. Okay. See, now it is pink. Okay. Similarly, highlighter is there. You highlight the text na sometimes. So highlighter's function is to highlight the text. So these are the four options which you have under draw option. Okay. Now my dear children, one eraser option is there. So now this time I'm making use of eraser. See how it erases. Clear? With one click only, the eraser clears the whatever written part is there. Is this much clear to everyone? Okay, good.